I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, today I got a 3-gallon Shop Vac I picked up at Walmart. The only reason I'm doing an unboxing and assembly video for this is I read the reviews for it, and apparently there were 74 people who couldn't figure out how to put it together. So let's open up the box and see if we can put this together without having to get pissed and take it back to Walmart. Okay, here we have it out of the box. We got all the attachments, the hose, a bag that I won't be using, so I was going to let everything fall straight to the bottom and dump it out like a garbage can. One of the complaints that was in the reviews was they couldn't put it together because the instructions were stuck inside the vacuum cleaner and they couldn't get it open. So without any instructions, let's see if we can get the vacuum cleaner open. Huh, that didn't take very much. So in here we got more stuff. Another bag, filter, instructions, and a handle. Okay, I've gone through the instructions. They're pretty simple. There's only 3 of them. So you got to put the casters on the bottom, how to install the tool holder on the wand, and how to put the filter and the bag in. Doesn't even tell you how to put the handle in. There's a separate instruction for that, but that's just 2 screws. So let's start out by putting the casters on. Okay, I admit the casters were a little hard putting them in there, but a little excessive force and they go in just fine. Okay, next I'm going to put this handle on. Instructions are pretty simple. It says to handle on here and start these 2 screws. Okay, I admit the screws weren't easy to put in with the screwdriver, but I just used a 5/16 inch socket and it went into like nobody's business. So let's get on to the next step. Although I don't plan on using the bag or the filter, I'll install it anyway because it says how to. And it's pretty much just install the bag over this little red knob. So expand the bag out a little bit. That's it. There's just a little tab I gotta go over and it's installed. Okay, the next step is to put this filter, dry filter, on. Pretty simple. You just lay it on top and slide that over. That was pretty simple. Okay, the last step is to put the wand together and put this little deal on here to hold the accessories, and they go on like this. Not too difficult, and I'm not going to use it. Okay, so we've got it all together. I admit the casher's a little hard to put on, but hey, persuade them with a little hammer and they'll be fine. These 2 screws that go in the handle aren't the easiest to put in, but get a socket, they'll go in just fine. The instructions, I used just the pictures. I didn't read a single word, so even if you can't read English and you can just look at pictures, you can easily put this together without any trouble. That's it. There's the Walmart version of the Shop Vac 3-gallon fully assembled. I can understand why some of the people in the reviews were upset, because one woman, I think she said she was 78. Yeah, 78-year-old is not going to be able to put 2 wheels into place. But if she doesn't have a grandson that can do it for her, call me. Kip will do it for you. Thanks for watching.